Picture a scenario where strawberries transform into a choreography performed by human hands using cutting-edge technology. This fusion ensures consumers worldwide receive a superior strawberry experience. Innovative hydroponic systems represent a prevalent method for cultivating strawberries, providing controlled growth sans soil. While harvesting predominantly relies on the adept hands of human workers, their touch is indispensable to prevent damage to the delicate fruit. Nevertheless, the future promises thrilling advancements as high-tech robots step onto the stage. Agrobot stands as the pioneering force behind the development of the first pre-commercial robotic harvesters, engineered specifically for the gentle picking of strawberries. Employing advanced technology, Agrobot harvesters assess fruit ripeness without direct contact, delicately grip and cut stems, and place strawberries into field containers for subsequent packing. Their real-time AI-integrated color and infrared depth sensors, along with advanced graphic processing units, ensure precise assessment of fruit ripeness without any physical contact. Another groundbreaking innovation in the realm of robotic strawberry harvesting is Berry. Designed to address labor shortages, Berry revolutionizes the harvesting process by delicately placing fruits into sales packs without direct contact. Its precision lies in the careful cutting of stems, offering growers a reliable and customizable solution for optimal filling. Utilizing innovative software and image recognition, Berry detects and sorts fruits with unmatched accuracy, guaranteeing only the highest quality produce reaches consumers. Operating tirelessly on modern batteries, Berry boasts efficiency and reliability, embodying the future of strawberry harvesting. Following the harvesting process, strawberries undergo an innovative large-scale production process, tailored for canned strawberries or distribution centers. Specialized machines equipped with spinning blades automate the removal of leaves, ensuring the fruit meets preservation standards. These machines employ a circular knife-cutting principle to achieve a clean cut, minimizing waste and maintaining consistent quality. While machines handle much of the processing, human intervention remains crucial. Workers manually remove leaves from harvested strawberries and oversee the washing and cleaning process. Through meticulous sorting, workers select only the best and ripest strawberries for further processing. Canning strawberries offers numerous benefits, including preservation and extended shelf life, making them convenient for households and food manufacturers. Canned strawberries ensure a stable supply beyond the typical growing season and in regions where fresh strawberries may not be readily available. In warehouses dedicated to canned strawberry production, robotic arms facilitate efficient storage alongside human assistance. These facilities utilize automated systems and towering shelves for optimal space utilization, ensuring the smooth operation of large-scale production. In the realm of grocery and supermarket distribution, where customer satisfaction reigns supreme, rigorous testing emerges as a crucial element in maintaining a consistent and top-tier supply of fresh strawberries. Typically, this testing entails visual inspection, where seasoned workers assess strawberries for color, size, and ripeness indicators, ensuring they meet regulatory standards and are safe for consumption. During the distribution process, fresh strawberries are meticulously packed into plastic containers, a popular choice for packaging due to its practicality and ability to safeguard the fruit during transportation and display. Innovations like robotic harvesters, precision packaging machines, and automated distribution systems are instrumental in large-scale production. The harmonious collaboration between technology and human expertise ensures the meticulous care essential for harvesting top-quality fruits. To create the glittery and delicious strawberry jam, a portion of frozen strawberries is used. These frozen berries are placed into carriers to transport them to the next stage, where they're loaded into a container to incorporate additional ingredients. Once the strawberries are loaded, sugar is added to ensure the jam looks, tastes, and feels perfect. Next, the hot water tub is prepared for the strawberries to be bathed in sweet syrup. Once mixed with the syrup, the material is processed through SES to achieve a smooth, pulp-free jelly consistency. Heating and mixing continue in large pots or machines to blend the strawberries and enhance their flavor. The mixture is cooked until it reaches the perfect texture, confirmed by testing the jam base. Once ready, the mixture undergoes further churning for added smoothness before cooling. During this time, the flavors and textures settle, creating the perfect harmony. The warm jam base is then poured into jars, a process usually automated in factories. Each jar is carefully filled to ensure the right amount of jam. The jars are then sealed tightly with lids, washed to remove any residue, and labeled with stickers or labels identifying the product and its manufacturer. Mini jam bottles are filled with the same fresh fruit, pulp, and flavor, offering a burst of fruity sunshine in every bite. Within these bustling orchards dedicated to green apples, expert teams utilize state-of-the-art harvesting machinery, meticulously engineered for efficient and damage-free picking. The operation commences as each proficient team, armed with cutting-edge equipment, expertly plucks the green apples from the trees with precision. Subsequently, they transfer the freshly harvested apples onto conveyors, leading to the rear of the machine. This machinery boasts elevators and arm-shaped multiple conveyors, strategically devised to handle the apples with the utmost delicacy. These conveyors ferry the fruit to the back of the machine, where a clever system ensures the apples are gently and efficiently deposited into a storage trailer. Crafted to be gentle on the apples, this advanced harvesting system minimizes the risk of any potential damage. Its adaptability to various row widths renders it suitable for orchards of diverse sizes. Yet, what truly distinguishes this machine is its remarkable output capacity, capable of harvesting an astounding 150 tons of apples in a single day. It serves as a testament to efficiency and productivity in large-scale apple orchards. Once the basket reaches full capacity, the machine seamlessly accommodates a new empty one, ensuring a continuous flow in the apple harvesting process. This swift and automated basket replacement mechanism guarantees an uninterrupted workflow. As soon as one basket brims with apples, the machine adeptly swaps it with an empty counterpart, poised to receive the next batch of freshly harvested fruit. This coordination empowers the harvesting team to sustain their efforts without downtime, upholding a steady and effective rhythm. This high-tech harvesting machine has evolved into an indispensable asset, streamlining operations and guaranteeing the delivery of top-quality apples to markets worldwide. These laden baskets, teeming with freshly harvested apples, stand poised for the next phase of their journey: transportation to an expansive apple sorting center. Within this facility, the apples are housed in vast compartments tailored for large-scale production, featuring a controlled atmosphere maintained at a temperature ranging from 0.5 to 3 degrees Celsius within an oxygen-depleted environment, alongside a humidity level set between 90 and 95%. Within this sprawling infrastructure, the apples remain undisturbed. The setup is equipped with automated, sizable lifts that smoothly ferry containers brimming with apples across the entire compartment. Subsequently, lifts transfer the baskets laden with apples from the warehouse to the inception point of an extensive water-based conveyor. An intricate network of elongated water routes intricately guides the apples through the center. This isn't just any conveyance, it's a smart pathway. As the apples serenely traverse the water-based conveyor, they encounter an automated cleaning system akin to a sophisticated car wash, tailored for apples. The water sprays perform their task diligently, ensuring each apple undergoes thorough cleansing before proceeding through the sorting process. This step plays a pivotal role in maintaining cleanliness and ensuring freshness. The apples emerge free from any residues acquired during harvesting. As the apples journey along the conveyor belts, they undergo a natural air drying process, ensuring they remain in optimal condition for forthcoming assessments. Each individual apple undergoes meticulous scrutiny for potential imperfections, such as variations in color, indications of decay, or undesirable blemishes. Apples failing to meet the stringent quality standards are swiftly rerouted to alternate pathways, leading them to containers designated for substandard fruit. Following the scanning stage, the apples advance to the expansive sorting center's final facility. Guided by an extensive network of conveyors that seemingly extend endlessly, each conveyor features designated spaces, one for each individual apple. These spaces are intelligently programmed to flex, facilitating a controlled descent for the apples. This precise maneuver ensures that each apple gracefully descends into its designated compartment. A crucial moment in the sorting process that categorizes them based on size with unparalleled accuracy. Strategically positioned along the pathway are rotating automatic sticker machines. As each apple gracefully passes beneath these machines, labels are meticulously applied. The apples then proceed along conveyors, entering the final streamlined process before packaging. This critical phase ensures that each apple undergoes additional precision procedures, preparing them for the ultimate stage in their journey. A dry bin filler efficiently fills bins with the sorted apples. As the apples undergo sorting on conveyors, those meeting desired quality standards are directed to specific bins. In the packaging section of the factory, automatic machines take charge of preparing carton boxes to house the sorted apples. A team of skilled workers oversees the packaging process, ensuring each apple is meticulously placed into pre-prepared carton boxes. Precision weighing is often employed as apples are packed to ensure each package meets specified weight requirements. If you're eager to delve further into the captivating world of food processing lines, remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more enriching experiences.